This is so beautiful, the flowers and the cake and everything. It's so pretty. मुझे कोई बॉयफ्रेंड की कभी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी बिकॉज आप लोग हो ना मेरे लिए. You guys make it so special for me. मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही, मैं घर पे ही रहने वाली हूँ और कुछ नहीं करने वाली. Okay, hi ma'am, happy Valentine's Day. On this special day of love, let me confess something to you. It's simple, it's honest, it's short, but it's true. I love you. I love you to infinity. And I really believe that you're the best thing that's ever happened to me. You're the first and last thing on my mind each day, every day. So, you're so very special to me. Thank you for being the reason I smile. I'm blessed to have you in my life. You fill my heart with joy, my world with happiness. You have no idea of the amount of happiness you brought to my life. Neeti ma'am, you're such a sweetheart. You've made my life. Thank you so much for the call. Thank you for following the fan page I created for you. Thanks a ton. I can't thank you enough. Felt so special, felt blessed. You spoke to me for 8 minutes. Believe me, it was the best time of my life. I mean, thanks a lot. Thank you so much for everything. And all, I'm damn excited to see you on screen again. All the very best. And thank you so much. Thank you, Mamta. That is really sweet. And I'm telling you, I don't need a boyfriend until the time I have you in my life because you make me feel damn special with a star and our roses and the cake. Thank you so much. मेरा ड्रीम डेट एक्चुअली होगा, you know, मेरे को कोई ड्रेस भेजे और जूते एंड मैचिंग एक्सेसरीज भेजे एंड से बेबी वेटिंग फॉर यू डाउन, कम इन हाफ एन आवर, कम इन 45 minutes. So I dressed up, look like the prettiest, go in a car, or actually I would like the not a car, I should be something different, an open door auto maybe. Something very weird. Yeah, so like that, I go inside, I sit in it, and then there should be this beachy place because I love beaches. And udhar it's like a gadda type kept with pillows and mirchi light ki decoration and flowers and everything. And then as soon as I sit, so एक projector पे हमारी favorite movie होगी, मेरी favorite movie होगी, and after कुछ होता है maybe, and then after that, you know, when he does that, you know, so no sound, so like that the movie stops and he's like no sound, I'm like no music, so he's like, and somebody, you know, plays the piano and says tum paas aaye and all, so we dance and then suddenly starts raining. All this, I'm very filmy. I want, I even want to cook in that garden. ये तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया, मेरा ऐसा ड्रीम है कभी पूरा नहीं होने वाला, बट ऐसा है कुछ. Valentine memory is like, I was telling my friend the other day, when ये जो fan meet हुआ था and everything, I was like 5 guys actually proposed me, you know, and they sang songs. I was like real में तो कभी किसी ने propose नहीं किया, सिर्फ फ़ोन करके बोलते हैं I love you, you love me, okay, like फ़ोन पे हो जाता है. I was like, seriously, मुझे किसी ने propose नहीं किया. So she's like, what are you saying? I've got, you know, proposed so many times. And I'm like, oh, okay. So actually I don't have any memory because everybody's been proposed, but I've never been proposed. So no memory. मैंने कभी किसी को propose नहीं. मैं सबसे boring इंसान नहीं, मैं boring नहीं हूँ, but मैंने किसी को propose नहीं किया. My Valentine is my fan. So I love you all. Thank you. नया प्यार है, नया इंतजार कर लूँ क्या अपना हाल, ए दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता. I'm good, so it's very yummy. Thank you, Mamta. This one's for you. Thank you. मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगी कि मैं यहाँ हूँ आपको एंटरटेन करने के लिए. आई लव एक्टिंग एंड दीज 2 months जब मैंने एक्टिंग नहीं की तो मेरे को ऐसे like I was okay with it, but the day I did, I was like, this is what I was missing. That spark in my smile was missing because of this. So I'm here to entertain you all and I hope आपको मेरा काम और भी पसंद आए. And हाँ, बस मुझे support कीजिए. And it's month of love, February. That's what I always say. So आपका कोई भी अपना हो या कोई भी ऐसा भी हो and you think you like him or you have a crush on her or him, anything, so I think go and confess it because this is the right month. It's full of love. So प्यार कीजिए, हंसिए, मुस्कुराइए, cause every day is a new day and every day is beautiful. See, मुझे शाहिद कपूर बहुत पसंद है लेकिन ऐसा लग रहा है वो अपनी बीवी के प्यार में इतना खुल गया कि ऐसे वीडियोस देखती हूँ ना, मैं ऐसे चाहती हूँ. But yeah, I think he also knows that I'm a big fan of him after, you know, he replied back. Wow. Yeah, मतलब on my birthday, fans like, I think उन्होंने वो क्या बोलते हैं, tweet किया and he said happy birthday and have a lovely day or something like that, and I was like, whoa. But yes, मैं किसी को कन्फेस नहीं करना चाहती हूँ बिकॉज मैं किसी को प्यार ही नहीं करती. मैं फैंस को कन्फेस करती हूँ बिकॉज दे आर द बेस्ट पीपल. यू गाइज मेक मी सो हैप्पी, यू गिव मी सो मच ऑफ लव. सो आई वांट टू टेल यू ऑल, आप लोगों की बिना मैं इधर होती नहीं. आप लोगों ने मुझे बनाया, जो मैं हूँ आज आप लोगों की ही वजह से हूँ. सो थैंक यू सो मच. मैं ये कभी रिटर्न नहीं कर पाऊँगी, मैं बस आपको एंटरटेन कर पाऊँगी. एंड आई होप आपको मेरा काम पसंद आया. एंड आई लव यू गाइज अ लॉट एंड यू गाइज मीन द वर्ल्ड टू मी. सो थैंक यू सो मच.